In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted AOL emails. We'll walk through the exact process in a web browser, and I'll share a few tips to make sure you find what you need quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type AOL Mail and press Enter. From the results, choose the official AOL Mail website. To be sure you're on the right page, look for the secure lock icon in the address bar and a URL that points to AOL's mail site. This helps you avoid phishing pages that can look similar but aren't legitimate. Once the site loads, look to the upper right corner and click Login or Join. Sign in with your AOL account details as you normally would. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that you're logging into the one where the email was originally received. If prompted for additional verification, follow those prompts to keep your account secure. After you're signed in, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel. Find the trash folder and click it to open. If your sidebar is collapsed, you may need to expand it or scroll to see all folders. The trash folder is where deleted emails go temporarily, so this is the first place to check. Inside trash, locate the email you want to recover. You can browse the list or use the search bar at the top to narrow things down by sender, subject, or keywords. Sorting by date can also help if you know roughly when it was deleted. When you find the email, click the checkbox next to it. You can select multiple emails if you need to recover more than one at a time. At the top of the page, click the Restore to Inbox button. If you don't see that option, look for the Action or More menu and select Move to, then choose Inbox. Both options do the same thing. They return the selected message to your inbox. If the button is grayed out, make sure you have at least one email selected. Now head back to your inbox to confirm the message is there. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar to look for the subject or sender, or refresh the page. Keep in mind that recovered messages might appear based on their original date, not necessarily at the very top. A quick note: emails in trash are only kept for a limited time. If you don't see your message in trash, it may have been permanently removed and can't be recovered using these steps. To prevent accidental loss, consider moving important messages to a dedicated folder or marking them as starred.